welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your love, all your likes, all your subscription, for listening to me. I just hope I'm able to add some value to you. Okay, so today we are talking about the hottest topic of today, that is the coronavirus. So I'm not getting into any kind of details about the virus as such, but yes, the preventive measures. So first thing first, we will talk about the mask. Second, we talk about frequent washing of hands every 30 minutes and washing them really nicely and properly. Now, there are situations wherein washing the hands might really not be a choice as such. So, it's sanitizers that come to our help for that. But with the panic this virus has created all across the world, sanitizers, face masks, they are just disappearing from the market. And even if they are available for 4 times the price, 5 times the price, there's no end to it. So I'm not talking about the mask today, but yes, as far as sanitizers are concerned, I'll help you make your own 100% natural sanitizer right at home. So let's do this DIY fantastic, super easy and super effective recipe. So the primary ingredient of a sanitizer is alcohol. According to the guidelines issued by the World Health Organization, that is WHO, a minimum of 60% alcohol content is required to fight the corona. Not only corona, in fact, to fight any other virus or any other bacteria as well. Another ingredient that we are using today is the aloe vera gel. I just harvested some aloe vera and I'm going to use that. If available, you can take fresh aloe vera. If not available, don't panic. Use any packaged aloe vera gel that might be available. It could be any brand, Patanjali or whatever might be available as such. Number 3, not mandatory, but tea tree oil. The purpose of tea tree oil is twofold. Number 1, to give a lovely fragrance to our sanitizer, and number 2, tea tree oil is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and it is definitely gonna help us increase the impact of our sanitizer in a really positive kind of way. So let's do this recipe now. So as we said, the most important ingredient that we are gonna use is the alcohol. So I am using this, that is isopropyl, isopropyl alcohol, that is 99% pure. 99% because we are gonna dilute it with the aloe vera gel. So it's gonna be 60% of alcohol and 40% of the aloe vera gel. Prior to starting any of this, it's really important that we sanitize everything that we're gonna use, using the same alcohol again. So here we go. So I have poured this alcohol in this spray bottle. So this is the whisk I'm gonna use. So I just spray it nicely, cover it properly. And with any kind of a paper towel, you can just wipe it off. To be doubly sure, you can spray it again and leave it to air dry. So I'm going to fill up this cup 3/4 with this alcohol. And I'm going to add this aloe vera gel to this now. This is the tea tree oil I'm going to use. Please be careful with essential oils. They are extremely good for our body, skin and hair, but when they are diluted, please refrain from using them undiluted in any way. So I'm gonna add 12 to 15 drops of the tea tree oil to this mixture now. I'm just going to whisk this nicely to mix up the entire thing. So this is the consistency I've got for this. If you want, you can use a hand blender or you can just mix it up in the mixer as well. So it's perfectly alright. So now I'm gonna pour this into a bottle. So I'm using this existing bottle I have with me. So I'll just pour it here. I'll just pour it and come back. So here we go. Yeah. Just a few drops. And yes, I'm ready. I'm getting ready to fight the corona. So no, it's not like, if I talk about the aloe vera gel, it is not a mandatory ingredient. Alcohol is the one that is doing the primary job. But at the same time, adding aloe vera is going to give a nice consistency to the sanitizer, and it's also going to help the skin get nourished and moisturized. Alcohol can be drying to the skin, so this is definitely going to help in that respect as well. So now prepare this sanitizer. It's important, really important, especially at this point of time. You need not even look for any kind of sanitizer anywhere at all. This is it. It's so simple. It won't take more than 5 minutes for the entire thing, for the entire preparation. And definitely you're gonna away from corona. So let's fight corona together. If you liked my recipe for the sanitizer, 100% natural, super easy and super inexpensive, do give a thumbs up to this video. And if you're not subscribed yet, you can choose to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you around in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day and take good care of yourself.